Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to start your FM audio or CD audio in your Bentley GT Continental. So first of all, you have to turn on your audio system, and there is a down option FM, CD. You can scan FM or AM if you want to add another radio. So let's try with the CD. You can play if you have some CD. If not, you can choose the FM. You can choose the option of the music which you want. Okay, and that's it, all about the audio. In the CD, you can choose by number here, but you need to have your CD audio. I don't have for now my CD. There is only CD3 here, and I can choose audio from the CD3. That's it for now. Anyway, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!